Hey everybody, Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and in this video we're going to work through and we're going to create a Polaroid template in Photoshop. So here we are in Photoshop. What we're going to do is we're going to select the Create New button. That brings up the new document dialog. We're going to come across to the right hand side of this box into the preset details, and we're going to work in inches. Change the width to 3.483, the height to 4.233, change your resolution to 300 pixels per inch, and make sure that the background color is set to white. Once we've done that, hit create. That brings that box into Photoshop. If we come across to the layers panel, hold down Alt and double click on the background layer. That changes that layer to layer 0, which means it is now editable. Once we've done this, come over to the rectangular marquee tool. Under style, hit it normal, select normal, and then we are going to drag our marquee across our template here until we are happy with what looks like a Polaroid. So you have the left hand, the top, and the right hand side of our square rectangle a lot thinner than the bottom being a lot larger, because that's what a Polaroid looks like. Once we've set that and we've got these marching ants going around, hit delete. That takes away the white block that's within that marquee. So we can deselect that now. We do that by holding down Command and D, and there we have it. That is our Polaroid template. We can now bring in photographs and we can slide those in to the area that we've cut out. But what we're going to do in order to do that is we've got to save this as a PNG file. And there you go. You now have a Polaroid template which you can start to bring your photographs into as a way of showcasing them in a slightly different way. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.